here we are, we're back in Midjourney, and I have a folder open with some images from my portfolio, and I'm dragging one into the prompt space on Midjourney. So there it is. It has arrived and it's uploading. And you can see that Midjourney is offering me the animate option straight off the bat. So the small area that I'm currently working in is the animate area, and there are a few simple prompts or simple instructions I can give the system in this area of the screen. So I can choose whether or not I want the image to loop, to start and finish on the same frame, or whether it's going to be an open-ended journey through the space that starts perhaps in one location and moves and ends in a different location. And the other choice I have is whether I want the motion in the image to be a low level of motion or a high level of motion. Now, when you choose high, very dramatic things can happen. And in fact, one of these outcomes that I'm going to show you does look like it was actually the high option, even though it wasn't. So here we go. The system is doing its thing. It's uploading. I can watch what it's doing by going over to the left-hand side and clicking on the paintbrush, where you can see I have one project cooking on the system at the moment. Now, I've sped this bit up a bit. Just this cooking section is going 4 times speed, and we're about to return to the finished object. So, and here we have it. We have 4 options that it's created. You can see one of them is quite wildly dramatic. The others are a little bit more subtle. But from a single photograph, the system has created 4 options of 5-second video. And here are some of the videos. You can actually see what it's doing is it's essentially looking like video taken in the space. So in a moment of work, it's generated options for me from a still image that I can use as somewhat dramatic video if I want, of interior photography that has been taken for me by a professional photographer.